Hello and welcome to Wilmington University's hybrid and online training course. This 3-week course will build on the skills that you developed in Blackboard training and prepare you to teach or develop an online or hybrid course. In this video, we'll cover the expectations, layout, and functionality of the course. When you first access the course, it will default to the announcement section. Announcements will be posted 2 to 3 times per week. Announcements are a means of communication of information to the entire class. And while announcements appear in the announcement section, they are also emailed to you. So please be sure to check your Wilmington University email account during the week. Next, we'll look at the syllabus section. The syllabus section houses the course information and schedule. Please review the course information and schedule to ensure that you understand the time commitment required for this course. You can also see your faculty contact information, a course description, the course objectives, and the course outcomes. And to help keep you organized, we have a checklist and grading information for all activities. And by week, this will list the assignments that you have to do, tell you the percent of the total grade that each assignment counts, and the due date. You'll notice that most assignments are due Sunday at midnight. However, for discussions, the initial post should be completed by Thursday at midnight, and then all follow-up and response posts by Sunday at midnight. And after reviewing the syllabus section and the course information and schedule, please go to the syllabus agreement. The syllabus agreement is a one-question survey that essentially states that you acknowledge and understand the time commitment that you will be asked to complete during this course, and that if you cannot complete the course requirements on time, that you'll be asked to join another session. And next, we'll move to the Start Here section. The Start Here section is where you should begin the course. This section has some introductory information that you should read, and also some introductory assignments. So please read the section on Vocal, which is a recurring acronym throughout the course. Watch the videos, and do the assignments in the Assignments and Activities folder. Here in the Assignments and Activities folder, you'll find another link to the syllabus agreement if you haven't completed it. There's a FERPA tutorial that we asked you to complete online, then acknowledge that you completed it by submitting the message that you get after completing the tutorial. We have an introductory discussion board. If you click on this link, it will take you to the main discussion board area where you can post your introduction. And then we have a link to the Online Learning Department's Facebook page. So please review that. There's some interesting information from our students and faculty on our Facebook page. So after you've completed all of the Start Here activities, please move to week 1. And each week is structured the same way in that you have an introduction. We'll discuss what you're going to be doing for the week, a list of objectives, and a list of activities and assignments that you need to complete. Again, if you need to understand what is due for the week, you can look under the activities and assignments in the week, or you can go back to the course information and schedule. And beneath the activities and assignments each week, you'll find the reading materials. It'll either be in a folder, like we have here, or you might find the reading materials in a module. And typically your reading materials are going to be listed first, and then you'll have a discussion. Again, the discussion links take you to the main discussion board. Discussions are released each week, so you'll notice you only see week 1 right now. Week 2 you will see week 2, and week 3 you will see week 3. And then we have assignments. Sometimes assignments are listed on their own, or sometimes they're in a folder if they have related material that goes with them. So here, when you first join, you're observing an online course assignment, and you first join the course, you'll have the document in here with the actual assignment where you will upload your completed observation sheet. So if we look in week 2, you'll see that we have a readings and resources folder here, a link to the discussion board, and these assignments are not in folders, they are out on their own. If we look in week 3, you'll you'll see the same sort of arrangement. So looking back at the main menu, again, we have weeks 1 through 3. We have the discussion board. This is another way to get to the discussion board. It will take you directly to the main discussion board area where the discussion for the week will be displayed. We have email. This is where you can email other participants in the hybrid and online training course or email your instructor. And then you have the My Grades section. This is where you can follow your progress throughout the course. And you'll notice that it'll give you the item name or the assignment name, and it'll tell you your grade. And it'll say out of the number of possible points for the grade. So if you look down at this 95, we have 95 out of 100. And for the assignments that have a rubric associated with them, you can click on View Rubric, and you can see your score for the assignment and feedback. The only assignments right now that have a rubric are the weekly observation reflection sheets. However, you will find feedback on your other assignments. You can click on the actual grade that you got, and you can see comments from your instructor. And again, to see how these grades weigh throughout the course, you can go back to the course information schedule and look at the percent of the grade. And so in the My Grades section, you can look down at the bottom for overall grade. And it says this is based on graded work only. You'll notice there is only one assignment that's been graded so far here, and that's 95. So that is the only grade that is being considered for the overall grade. And so if you have any questions during the course, you can contact your instructor by accessing the faculty contact section. Thank you again for committing your time and effort to complete this training. The Online Learning and Educational Technology Department look forward to working with you.